Are your marketing emails getting ignored? You spend hours crafting newsletters, and they end up in the trash. What if I told you could replace those boring emails with dynamic, AI-powered digital cards that people actually open? Let me show you CardClan, the tool that's changing how businesses connect with customers forever. Hey everyone, I'm Shashir, and on this channel, I review the best SaaS and productivity tools that help you grow your business and save time. If you're tired of dull email campaigns and want something fresh, fun, and effective, CardClan might be exactly what you need. And if you want to grab the lifetime deal, there's a link in the description and in the pinned comment below. The problem: why CardClan exists. Most emails these days feel robotic. Long walls of text, zero emotion, and even less engagement. Your customers are scrolling past your messages, missing your offers, and forgetting your brand. That's where CardClan comes in. It replaces boring email campaigns with dynamic, AI-powered greeting cards that actually grab attention and make people smile. What CardClan does. CardClan helps you create and automate personalized group greeting cards for your customers and employees, all powered by AI. More than 1,000 companies are already using it to build stronger relationships and boost engagement. With CardClan, you can replace emails with interactive video cards, add CTAs, images, GIFs, emojis, and even record personal messages that make your audience feel valued. How it works. Simple workflow. You can get started in just a few minutes. First, pick from hundreds of AI-generated templates, or create your own using the drag-and-drop editor. Next, personalize each card using your customer data, merge tags, and custom images. Finally, send them in bulk, trigger them automatically from your CRM or marketing workflows, or schedule them for birthdays, holidays, and renewals. CardClan integrates with HubSpot, Zapier, Pabbly Connect, and Calendly, so you can automate the entire process effortlessly. Key features: AI-powered design. Generate card layouts, cover images, and messages instantly. Personalization at scale. Send bulk cards using CSV uploads, with each message personalized. Automation. Automatically trigger cards based on user events, milestones, or CRM workflows. Analytics. Track open rates, engagement, and even reactions from your recipients. Templates. Access a huge library of industry-specific designs, or make your own with full branding control. And yes, you can send cards from your own email domain, keeping your branding professional and consistent. Why? It's a game changer. Unlike traditional email tools, CardClan focuses on human connection. Your messages don't look like spam, they look like personal greetings, and that's what gets clicks, replies, and customer loyalty. Whether you're in marketing, HR, or client success, CardClan helps you stand out in the inbox, not blend in. Pros and general cons. Super easy to use, even for beginners. Seamless integrations and automations. Saves hours every week, boosts engagement instantly. It may not be ideal if you send thousands of transactional emails per day. It's designed more for relationship-driven outreach than high-volume campaigns. Right now, CardClan is available for one-time payment of $69, 81% off. Lifetime access, no monthly fees. And yes, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it completely risk-free. The link to grab the deal is in the description and in the pinned comment below. If you want to send emails that people actually love to open, if you want to build genuine connections with customers and employees, then CardClan is definitely worth trying. Replace text-heavy emails with creativity and human touch, all powered by AI. So go ahead, click the link below, grab the deal, and start creating engaging digital cards today. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews of AI and SaaS tools that make your work easier. I'll see you in the next video.